Good morning, dear students of UKG grade. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying your holidays. Today, I will read your English book. The name of book is English for Juniors. So, this is your English book, and now move to lesson number 1. The name of chapter is alphabet. So, in this lesson, we will discuss about alphabets, vowels and consonants. So, dear students, today's topic is vowel and consonants. So tell me, what is the topic of today? So today is the topic of vowels and consonants. So repeat with me again. What is the topic of today? Today is the topic of vowels and consonants. So students, you have learnt about 26 letters of the English alphabet in your previous class. You all remember? You read it in LKG class also. So firstly I will revise these letters in once again. So repeat with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, I have here a alphabet chart also. So, here is 26 letters on this chart, and so now you count with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. So, how many letters are there in English alphabets? There are 26 alphabets. So, tell me how many alphabets are there? There are 26 alphabets. Yes, there are 26 alphabets. So, now you have may notice that there are 5 special alphabets which are written by red pen. So these are A, E, I, O, U. So these special words, these 5 special words, we call them vowels. We call them vowels. So what is this? These are vowels. These are vowels. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O and U. So now again tell me, how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. You may look at your book. A, E, I, O, U. So now, how many letters are remaining left? Without these special letters, now we have remaining letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we have 21 letters. So they should have a name. These 21 letters, we call them consonants. These 21 letters we call them consonants. What are these letters? These are consonants. So we divided these letters into two categories. So we divided these letters into two categories. First is vowels and second is consonants. The first group is vowels and the second group is consonants. So here I have another chart. Here I will draw a hand. So there are 5 fingers. So tell me, how many fingers we have in one hand? We have 5 fingers in one hand. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the same way, how many vowels we have? We have 5 vowels. How many vowels we have? We have 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So now move on to page number 4. Here you will see exercise. Firstly, look at the pictures and write the first letter of their names. Firstly, you look at the picture and you will write the first letter. So tell me, what is this? This is a X. So what is this? This is an X. So here I will write A. The first letter of X is A. So next is, so tell me the next word is, the next picture is kite. So the first letter is K. And another is rabbit. So tell me the first letter of rabbit. Here we will write R. The next one is hen. So here I will write H. And another one is orange. What is this? This is orange. What is this? This is an orange. So here we will write the first letter of orange and we will write O. So dear students, tell me, what is this? So this is a sun. This is a sun. So here we will write the first letter of sun. The first letter is S. And next one is, you all tell me that what is this? So this is duck. Yes, this is a duck. So first letter is D. Here we will write D. What is this? You all know about it. So this is an elephant. This is an elephant. So here we will write the first letter of elephant is E. This is a fan. So here we will write the first letter of fan. So here we will write F. So this is a jug. Here we will write J. What is this? Dear student, tell me, what is this? This is an umbrella. You use it in a rainy season. You know? So, yes, this is a umbrella. So here we will write the first letter of umbrella. The first letter is U. what is this? Dear students, tell me what is this? Yes, this is a parrot. So here we will write the first letter of parrot. What is the first letter of parrot? Yes, this is a P. Now, second activity is write all 5 vowels in the given circles. So, recently I will discuss about it. Recently I discussed about it. How many vowels we are? We are 5 vowels. So here we will write all the 5 vowels. First vowel is A, second is E, next I, O and U. So how many vowels we have? We have 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, next activity is underline the vowels in the words given below. So, in this activity, we will underline the vowels. So these are vowels and you will find vowels in this activity. So firstly, B, U and bun. So here, where is the vowel? The vowel is U. So we will underline U. Next one is C, A, P, cap. So where is the vowel? C is vowel? No. C is consonants and A is vowel? Yes. So here we will underline A and next P is also consonants. Next one is S-I-T, sit. So tell me, where is vowel? The vowel is I. So we will underline I. Next one is T-E and ten. So here we will underline E because E is a vowel. Next J-U-G, jug. So J is vowel, G is vowel? No. These are consonants. So U is a vowel. So we will underline U. Next is D-O-G, dog. So here we will underline O because O is a vowel. T-O-Y, toy. So here we will also underline O. Next one is A-N-T, aunt. So here I will underline A because A is an vowel. Next one is I-C-E, eyes. So here we will underline 2 vowels. First is I and second one is E because I and E are vowels. So next one is K-I-D, kid. So K is consonants? Yes. And D is consonants. What? I is vowel. So we underline I. So dear students, today's the chapter is over. So I hope you understood this chapter very well. So please, dear students, repeat it again with the help of your parents, and thanking for listening me. Kindly repeat it again with the help of your parents and have a nice day. We will meet the next video. Thank you.